In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Zoom link in Calendly fast and easy. As many of you know, scheduling virtual meetings can sometimes involve a few more clicks than we'd like, so let's streamline the process. We begin by heading over to Calendly. You can do this easily by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Calendly URL, or simply searching for Calendly on your favorite search engine. Once you've navigated to the Calendly homepage, click on the Calendly link to access your account. Make sure you're logged in so that you can manage your settings properly. Now let's focus on integrating Zoom, our video conferencing tool, into your Calendly account to simplify scheduling meetings. On your Calendly dashboard, you'll notice an option called Integrations and Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This section is your toolkit for connecting Calendly with other powerful applications. Among the list of integrations, look for Zoom, as this is the application we need to connect to. Once you find it, click on the Zoom link to initiate the connection process. Here we have a couple of choices. If you're working as part of a larger team or organization, you'll want to select Connect Zoom for My Organization. This option allows you to bring everyone on board seamlessly. However, if you're operating solo and connecting Zoom for just your personal use, click on Connect Zoom for Myself. This tailor-fits the integration to your specific needs and generally involves fewer steps. After selecting the appropriate option, you'll be prompted to sign into your Zoom account. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Enter your Zoom credentials and make sure to double-check them to avoid any hiccups. Once signed in, Calendly and Zoom will begin the process of connecting all while keeping your data secure and private. What happens next is pure magic. Once your accounts are linked, whenever someone schedules a meeting with you through Calendly, a Zoom link will automatically be generated and sent to the invitees. This automated process saves time and eliminates the usual back-and-forth emails trying to find links or confirming details. In summary, you've just linked Calendly with Zoom, ensuring that all your meeting invites include an automatic Zoom link, making setting up virtual meetings faster and easier than ever. With this integration, not only do you save time, but you also make sure your recipients have all they need in one place. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and advice.